In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your license plate light bulb. It's a 194 bulb, so let's get started. You want to take a pocket screwdriver or a trim tool or anything that you have that'll fit in here. There's a little slot and you can press in on this tab and pop the whole assembly out. There we go. All right, now with this out, unplug it, just like this. Try not to lose the wire back there, even though you can reach behind it and grab it. But anyway, turn this counterclockwise, pop the bulb out of the socket. I have a new bulb here. I always recommend replacing your bulb when you're doing this because might as well. It's right here. Slide it in. Now take your lens assembly, find the groove that the socket wants to slide into, just like that. Turn it clockwise, and that'll lock it in. Plug it in, and press it back into place. Make sure it's facing the right way. You don't want it facing this way. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.